Hello everyone, traders. Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the rate of change and SMA and awesome oscillator indicator. Before, please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I choose rate of change and SMA and awesome oscillator indicators. Now I looking for a good moment to get a daily profit. Here is a good moment to get trades. If we look at the SMA and awesome oscillator indicator, we can see the candles and the indicators starting to get smaller and trying to reverse to the upside, which is the market's transformation from a downward state to an upside, and the rate of change indicator started to go to the top gradually. And at the bottom we have a doji candle, which is evidence that the market has begun to reverse. If you do not know the meaning of the candles, you should read about the candles. It will help you a lot. Great trades were closed successfully, and now looking for another good moment. Here is a good moment to get trades. As I said earlier, we look at the indicators, rate of change, it goes in an upward direction, and we look at the SMA and awesome oscillator indicator. We also have large candles to the top, like a staircase. You should know that there is no 100% strategy, because perhaps the market does not go up again and reverses to the downside and you lose your trades. If you want to learn a strategy, you must train on the free account. Any condition that you did not apply will lose your money, and do not trade all your balance at the same time. Great trades were closed successfully, and now looking for another good moment. Here is a good moment, but I will get a few trades because we have the rate of change indicator that started to reflect downward, and it may return to the correction and go up. We have the SMA and awesome oscillator indicator that matches the conditions, but the rate of change does not apply the condition, as it is heading down. Unfortunately, I will lose trades because the market has started to reverse, but we will compensate for the losses in another market. You must be patient to compensate for the loss. I will go looking for a good moment to make up for the loss. Be patient and courageous, not confused. Here is a good moment to get trades and compensate for losses, and it will be the last trades for the day. Here, all the indicators match the conditions that I said about before, but as I told you in the past, you must trade and be calm to get the right decisions, and when you trade while you are confused, it will reflect on your thinking and get the right decision. Not random. Your right decision in trading you will get when you are calm, and when you are in a state of fear, do not trade. Stop trading and return to trading when you are calm. Great, the trades were closed successfully. My profit today is good, and therefore I will stop trading. A lot of trading will expose yourself to losses, so I will be satisfied with what you achieve and stop trading and come back a new day. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press like, and that will help me a lot. Thank you.